Hello guys, this is Lee speaking from Sourcingyuan channel. Today we talk about how we help customer to sales on Amazon and Shopify. A lot of customer they buy products from China and they do customization, clothes customization, electronic products with their own logo, with their own design, and after they sourcing from China, they sell on Amazon, they sell on Lazada, they sell on their own Shopify, and some customers they sell only by social media, and they need images, they need photos, they need videos, but the thing is it's not cheap, especially for customer at the very beginning they started their business. So today I introduce one service that the Sourcingyuan provide to our customer and help our customer to succeed, especially for startup companies. And so it's AI images and AI videos, and also real person, real actor images and real actor videos. So after you buy products from us, any customer, if you need, we team Sourcingyuan will give you a free images, at least 10. We give you 10 free AI images and one video for free for your products. Like for example, for sofa products, after you buy from us, you need a real actor and you need to show yourself in different scenario. Maybe you want the background in a good like a shopping mall, or you want your sofa in some company area, maybe in some house, in home, like this. Different background, you need a lot of works, but with AI, it's just like half an hour works. And my team, we help you to generate. You can check this video and this image to see how it looks. And here you can see some videos and images for clothes, for some cups, like this one is some cups images. You can check and how it looks, and this for some plate. You know, some customers they buy plate from us, and they talks with us. I need different people use our plate, maybe in the beach, in the family time. But it costs a lot, so they ask us if we can provide such image to them with a lower price. Of course, we can do. See this image, we will see what kind of image you will get from us. And I see use our image, put it on Amazon, use their social media, and they get very good, response. Everyone can create images and videos by ChatGPT, Sora, by Google AI. The thing is, maybe a professional team is better, especially when it comes to videos. Everyone can create videos, but videos, the thing is, you need a subscribe. It's not cost effective, and it still need a professional skill. When you create AI, AI can create videos, of course, but you still need professional people. They use different, not only AI, but some other software to help with AI videos and finally get a high quality videos. That is Sourcingyuan, how Sourcingyuan can help you. You can check this video to check the quality, and you will see how we can save your time and save your cost to create such images and videos to help you to have a better marketing performance in your Shopify, in your social media. On the other hand, we also able to help you to create a real video with a real actor. It could be AR actor, Chinese face, or European, because we cooperate with third party to help you. Depending on your project, maybe you need to know Chinese actor, the price, real actor is much cheaper, I think, and normally it's 200 per minute compared with European. So if you need videos, contact with us, real video, I mean. And if you need a real actor, of course we can provide. Check this image and check this video. You can see how the real images with a real model, and we have hundreds of models you can choose from. If you need a real model, contact with us. and we can help you to create such images, video models, maybe wear your clothes, maybe using your products, and do some products quality check to user experience, maybe explain some user experience like this video. If you need, contact with Sourcingyuan. After you buy our products, we work closely with you from A to Z. A from the design, from the products choose to the finally marketing. It's videos and images content that you can post on your social media and Shopify. So if you like this service, contact with us. And if you like this video, subscribe and give us a thumb up. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next video.